Yahoo! Welcome to Kota's Kitchen. Fall is coming. Today's food is a healthy food from fall ingredients. My name is Kota Morikawa. I'm a house chef for Nichibei Foundation. And this is a cooking show that you can cook in the office setting like this to enjoy with your colleague and then share the joy of food. Fall is coming. Speaking of fall, and then you can enjoy the changing color of leaves and of course fall foods. Oh yeah, pumpkin and maybe the chestnuts. But today's main dish is very healthy mushrooms. I'm going to cook Takikomi Gohan. Takikomi Gohan means seasoned rice. Today, we season the rice with mushrooms, chicken, carrots, and some little bit of aburage. Here we go. Alright, the first part is a preparation. So I'm going to make the seasoned sauce. So first, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 300 milliliter of water, shirodashi, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of sake, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So just mix. Alright, next the prepping the ingredients. Alright, so green onion. This is just a garnish. If you're good at it, you can cut it to like quarters and then cut all together. Alright, next aburage. For today's Takikomi Gohan, I use just 2. Right, next carrots. Alright, today I cheat. I use a mandolin slicer. This makes it very easy, right? Right, so mushroom. So shiitake mushroom, I take out the stem part. But it's if you cook it, it becomes chewy. So you can cut it to a little bit smaller than 1 bite sizes. This much. Once you cook this, it becomes really small. Right, shiitake mushroom is done. Now oyster mushrooms. So oyster mushroom, and I choose maitake mushroom today. I just take out the bottom of the roots and then just use a hand. Yes, I'm using lots of mushrooms today. Very healthy. Alright, so mushrooms, carrots are all ready. And yeah, some of your colleagues might say, I want meat. Sure, that's fine. Chicken thigh, that's all I can do. So let's take 2 pieces and cutting it to sizes like this big. Alright, now all the ingredients are ready. So let's cook the mushroom mix. I set the temperature to 300, so I will add a little bit of oil and then cook meat first. Right, chicken is kind of halfway cooked. I'm adding carrots, all the mushrooms, then aburage, and then the sauce. So make sure you all mix well. We are going to simmer for about 15 minutes. You want to check probably every 5 minutes. You mix. Yeah, maybe once in a while you check. All right, 15 minutes is passed. So let's check it out. Look at the color of mushrooms. They are changing the color into the sauce's color. All right, I think it's ready. I will turn off the heat. All right, I'm going to call Nichibei office manager, host, Ryan Yamamoto. Ryan?
Yo, what's
Hey,
up, man? How's
hey.
it going?
I need your help.
You need my help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, thank you, Ryan.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
So 40 more minutes. Then
40
food will be
minutes.
ready. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just
All
stay.
Make it 30.
Hanging tight. Right, this is the extracted juice. This has a flavor of chicken, mushrooms, carrots, and aburage. I'm going to use this as a for the rice. Okay. All right, now rice. This is a washed rice, 6 cups. I'm adding water first. Right, now juice is in. Just tiny bit of salt. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of sake. Then shirodashi again, 2 tablespoons. It's not 6 cup water, so I'm adding to make it to 6. Here we go, 6. And then just mix a little bit. Set this rice into this juice for at least 30 minutes to get the taste of the juice into the rice. Right, now the 30 minutes soaking time is passed, so let's push the button. Alright, thank you for being patient. Now rice is cooked. Let's transfer the rice into the mushroom mix. Right, now mix time. Well, it looks like it's mixed very well. All right, Takikomi Gohan on the ground with seasonal mushrooms. No? Right, yeah, let's, itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for cooking.
Oh, no problem, no problem. I mean, every time, it's my pleasure.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, let's
Yeah, see, lots of mushrooms.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Wow, the seasoning is really nice. Well, yeah, thank you so much for
Oh, no
having me.
problem.
This is delicious.
Oh yeah, me too. I feel like it's really came out pretty good.
Yeah.
And if you feel the taste is not too strong, you can always add soy sauce.
Yeah, there's a good amount of umami from the mushrooms and then
Oh, umami.
the spring. Yeah, umami.
Umami. Oh yeah, the six taste, right?
6 tastes.
Yeah, six
Yeah.
taste.
Yeah. Thank you for watching Kota's Kitchen. Yeah.
Please try at home.